Oh yeah, but it's nice. That's why I always found like going places like you get to, I don't know, just interesting places.
Okay, you can back out, and then I'll tell you exactly how to get to 101. Okay?
Oh yes, it's the street.
No. There's another one. There's another one.
Oh.
I can use some Rykert.
Oh yeah,
I can use Rykert. Yeah.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, that's where. Yeah, but yeah, usually I just go all the way down Novato and turn.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Just go straight.
Yeah, Rykert.
Yeah, we can use Rykert.
Yeah, so it's dude. Yeah, no, I'm pretty good with stuff like that.
I really feel happy. I'll tell you what. It's like, you being there and wow.
Yeah, no, it's
Right turn.
Yeah, no. Oh yeah.
Make a left turn on the long.
Yep. Oh yeah, traffic. Oh
Yeah, left turn.
Yeah, no, I'm just waiting for that. Yeah, no, oh yeah, I've gone to I don't know how many places with no maps at all. I never got lost. I did. Even when I went towards like the Alameda County or even up to Mendocino County, like back roads and stuff, I'm pretty like nope, never get lost. Like I study maps so much too. Like yeah, since I was a kid, I've been so into that. I think too, riding the bus.
You and I are really like in the same boat. I'll tell you that. I love maps too.
Yeah.
That's why it's like one of my goals really is to rarely get lost. Like rarely. Yeah, that's one of my goals. It's like I really want to have an idea of like, are there any other ways to get around this other than just what you know? Right turn.
Yeah.
71, 35. 35 from the canal. All right, now we can go on the freeway.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, no, it's. Yeah, no, it's. Oh yeah, no, yeah, no, even down in the with my dad, he forgets like all the time how to get to his own sister's house. Yeah.
What? Where does your
Lennox next to Inglewood?
Oh.
Yeah, LA.
Oh, Lennox. Okay.
Yeah, even though we've gone there a few times a year growing up, and he still forgets. I'm like, are you serious?
Wow.
But,
I don't know. Maybe we can turn up the air conditioning. It's getting a little hot now.
Oh yeah. Let's
Wait. Oh, no.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's getting a little hot here.
Yeah, it's like 77 outside.
It's approaching 80 now.
Yeah,
I mean, here, it'll be 85.
Yep.
Here in Novato.
Yeah.
Once we get to the city, it's 68.
Yeah.
Like, wow. No wonder I'm going to the city.
By where I'm at, it's actually a little bit warmer, usually.
Where?
Where I live, it's a lot warmer.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
It's. I mean, I like the neighborhood. It's always been pretty. I grew up partly by City College, and that was always kind of sad. Sunnyside.
Oh, Sunnyside.
My elementary school was at St. Finbar Church.
Which one?
Sunnyside Elementary on Flood in Detroit.
Flood.
By the. It's pretty.
Safeway on Monterey, that's on the 43, right?
Yep, and 23.
Bingo.
And 36.
Okay, fine. So what's on our agenda today? Oh yeah, let's find. Let's find 85-35 on the 66.
Yeah, they look good. I mean, they ride. I mean, the ones that the Vine has, they ride pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, smooth. I mean, yeah, I think I was gonna. Now that street sweeping is gone,
Oh, street sweeping. Okay, when is street sweeping?
On one side it's Friday, like about noon to 3, and
Noon to 3.
and then Monday's like 8 to 10.
Which side is your street sweeping? Is it today from noon to 3, or is it Monday 8 to 10?
The noon to 3 on the right side. Yeah, if it's on Blanken, it's on the right side. But
so today is street sweeping on your side of the street, correct?
The opposite.
So your street sweeping then is on Monday from 8 to 10.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah. Sometimes I end up parking in the driveway if my dad's not home. But at least while going his days off, like most of the time I just park somewhere in the street or around the block, depending.
Right.
I mean, this is occasional like ideas I think of, like random, like meaning like, oh, you should do this and like censoring routes, or I don't know, just have it where increase ridership, like just somehow.
Damn, I just saw the 101 and he's running at least minutes late. Yeah. He should have already gone, he should have already left Novato by this time. But nope, he's still on his way.
They are doing work on 101 northbound right as you pass South Solido, right by the Marin City exit.
Oh, okay. Northbound, right?
Northbound.
Okay. Yeah, that's normal. That's normal.
Oh, yeah. There's usually traffic, or even at 10 o'clock. Most of the time I end up going to Northgate Mall and go to Panera or Novato.
Right.
Yeah, just to avoid part of it.
At 80. Oh no!
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yes, no.
Now, why? Because I want to see the the Blue Angels again.
Yeah.
But then I'm gonna see them today. Oh, come on! I want to see them.
Yeah.
I want to see a freaking bus. Hello. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, no, nice. I mean, yeah. Yeah, they even have like food vendors and all sorts of stuff. Like by park, and it's pretty good. Or I know, certain I think on the weekend they play bocce ball at the.
Bocce.
I don't know.
Okay, let's check. Ooh. The truck scales are open again after a long while that it's closed.
Last year was the first day I saw them going through. It seems like sporadic sometimes, like they open.
Okay, so right now it takes us about 30 minutes to get to the. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do night Irving.
Oh yeah.
Because it's doing another loop on the 66 right now.
Oh. Yeah, you can get home kind of like between 10 and 11.